sing, it sounds like a choir. And when we dance, it looks like a fire. 'Cause we're all pieces of salt.